Hey everyone, this is Divya from Tabutingu Foodies. Today I'm gonna share not just one but 3 amazing refreshing drinks that are easy to make, super yummy and just perfect to beat the heat. The classic drinks you enjoy in summers like lemonade, iced tea, iced coffee are all covered here with a healthy twist. So if you are new to this channel, make sure to like and subscribe and let's get started. So the first recipe is orange iced tea. In a bowl, we'll add a teaspoon of green tea. If you don't have loose leaf, you can add a tea bag. Add a cardamom, an inch of cinnamon stick, and a cup of hot water. Cover the bowl and let it steep for 5 minutes. Now strain the tea. Retain the cardamom and cinnamon stick so the tea can soak up their flavors. Add in some orange slices, a tablespoon of honey. Mix it well. Keep this in the fridge to chill for at least 1 hour. Now pour the tea in a glass. I'm also adding the cardamom, cinnamon and orange slices for that extra flavor. Now add in some ice cubes and start pouring the tea. Add in about 1/4 cup of freshly squeezed orange juice and it's ready to enjoy. This orange iced tea tastes amazing. Also, it hydrates your body, it's rich in antioxidants and makes for a perfect refreshing drink to enjoy this summer. The next recipe is whipped iced coffee. In a coffee mug, we'll add 2 tablespoons instant coffee, 2 tablespoons jaggery powder, and 1 tablespoon of hot water. Now beat the coffee until it becomes thick and creamy. It's gonna take around 8 to 10 minutes. If you like, you can also beat the coffee using a hand mixer. And this is the consistency we want. Now add in half teaspoon unsweetened cocoa powder, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon powder and mix it well. Now add some ice cubes in a glass. Add a cup of milk of your choice. Add in the whipped coffee. Now you can garnish it with some chocolate. Here I am using Amul's 50% dark chocolate. And this whipped iced coffee is ready to enjoy. If you're a coffee lover like me but not in the mood for hot cup in summers, this recipe is perfect for you. Now we'll move to the next and the last recipe, which is pomegranate lemonade. In a blender, we'll add half cup of pomegranate seeds, half inch ginger, a small green chilli which is optional, few mint leaves, a tablespoon of honey, half tablespoon lemon juice, a cup of water and give it a good blend. Now strain the lemonade. Add some pomegranate seeds in a glass. Some lemon slices, few mint leaves, and some ice cubes. Now pour the lemonade and it's ready to enjoy. This sweet and zesty lemonade is packed with nutrients. The addition of pomegranate not only makes it more tastier but adds to the nutrition as well. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. So do try these summer drinks and let me know in the comment section which one is your favorite. As always, you can find the written recipe in the description below and make sure to like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon Do follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Stay tuned. Happy eating. I'll see you next time.